and we will be guided by our own capabilities also to achieve that goal. Therefore, we have now merged with the All India Tribunal Congress, and we hope that this merger, we not only hope, we know that this merger will bring a brighter prospect for the entire region, for our state, and for the entire country as a whole. I will like to thank each one of you all for being here today, and especially all of our members whom we have taken a collective decision, not been coerced by any external factor, but by our own decision, by giving it a very great thought for the larger interests of our people. And I'm sure that from today onwards, we will see a team that will work towards achieving that aspiration and hopes of the people. Thank you.
The question is to Dr. Mukul. Do you think that your decision is something personal, means you did not like Vincent Pala, and your relative critics say that your relatives...
You have heard me speaking. You have to go beyond the boundaries of the state. I think it's abundantly clear. We have engaged with our leadership in Delhi, so within the confines of the four walls of the party, which I will not share with you. The intention has been always directed towards our responsibility, larger responsibility, to fulfill our purpose as political party. And wherever we are, whether we are in government or whether we are in opposition, we must effectively utilize that space given by people. If people have given us mandate to be in opposition, we must do justice to that space that we occupy. And if we don't do justice, then we are failing our people, we are failing our nation. So please don't reduce this whole larger intent of this team, where, you look at our team, you know each one of us, you know each one of our intention. We have demonstrated our intent and commitment in course of our in course of our addressing concerns of the people all through the years. We are known people. We are not unknown people. So please do not reduce this whole intent that has brought us together to take this conscious decision.
Sir, what is the reason? What is the reason, sir, for you not being able to convince the remaining 5 Congress MLAs to merge with the TNC?
Well, it is not a question of convincing. It's a question of allowing them to take a conscious decision.
What will be the next step? Dr. Mukul, so when are you going to seek for a separate identity in the floor of the House?
It is a natural process, okay? It's a natural process. There's nothing which is to be in deviation out of the system that is already laid down. It's okay.
Doctor, what was the last nail in the coffin that made you change your decision with regards to the INC?
As I've said, it is a culmination of our long-drawn exercise to get things corrected. To get things corrected in order to enable all of us to be able to optimally utilize our potentialities and do justice to the position and space that we occupy in public life. As opposition, in Meghalaya, you must appreciate one fact, that as opposition, we have definitely responded to our call of duty. We have not failed in our responsibility. But as a national party, you are also required to see, as a party, as a team, where are you? Are you really being able to respond to your call of duty after having the mandate as an opposition across the nation? And how do we respond to that? Now, since we belong to the same family, that's why it's a matter of concern for all of us. We are equally responsible towards our failure or otherwise as public leaders. Because people, when they connect with leaders, they connect their aspirations. They connect, all that they have to be able to realize through those leaders with whom they connect themselves. Therefore, it is not just a simple, small reason that probably has made us think. You know, it's, as I say, it's not just an exercise of a month or two. It's a long drawn exercise.
Doctor,
You will see, I will, wait, you will also appreciate one fact, 2018, why we couldn't form government? Why we couldn't form government? These are issues. In spite of being the single largest party, did we try as a political party, in spite of being the largest opposition party in the nation? These are factors. I'm just giving you a hint so that you will be more analytical in your interpretation. Yes.
Sir,
Ram.
why have you, like you and your team, choose TMC rather than the regional parties from the state, or maybe even the ruling party, the NPP or the BJP? Why have you choose TMC? Why do you all choose?
You have heard me. You have heard my colleague, Mr. Charles Pungrop, sharing, what made us actually decide to identify All India Trinamool Congress. It's a culmination of long-drawn exercise. Now, exercise towards achieving what? We have a role to play. We have committed to the people of the state and people of the nation. What did we commit? To fight against any force that threaten our very existence, that threaten our cohesive, inclusive character of our democracy, where, you see the divisive forces becoming stronger and stronger. Is anybody fighting hard? Or are they using Kids Group? We can't fight with Kids Group. We have to be determined. We have to take our political opponent hats on, because that's what people expect. We can't just have lip service. Therefore, if you look at the culmination of this whole exercise, ultimately directed towards a political party which share the same objective of fighting against the divisive forces. And tell me any other political party, if there is any, in the state. Do we have? NPP, they are part of the team. It's amazing that they sometimes speak against each other, but aren't they same? What is NPP-led government? It's a government installed by BJP. And people of the state must understand one thing. BJP leadership knows it fully well that people of the state of Meghalaya, the electorates, are not going to be inclined to vote and support BJP for the reasons best known to all of us. And therefore, they're smart. They have created regional parties who are their B team, and they are effectively, very efficiently operating through this modus operandi. So we don't feel that the people of Meghalaya will not know it. We will keep on telling, we will keep on reminding the people of the state and also the people of the region.
Doctor, you were a
let me just add to that. 1 minute. To the question raised by Raymond, which was amply replied by Dr. Mukul Sangma, let me buttress that a bit. When we took this decision to merge, it was a long drawn discussion over many, many days and weeks, even months. Obviously, when you're taking this decision, which is a major one, you will have to look at a lot of aspects and the reasons and the facts that lie before you. We found that in the All India Trinamool Congress, as an ally, they have proved their worth. And also, a team that is working with them will be working with us also. So we have a backup of strategic thinking and analytic processing, which will enable us to become the leaders we need to be and to deliver the goods to the people. That is why, as Dr. Mukul rightly said, the decision taken was for that reason. but to say to go to any other political party. We have to weigh the pros and cons. Will that benefit the people? Yes or no? It is this reason why we chose to merge with the All India Trust Party.
Is TFC acceptable to the people of the state?
Why not?
Because previously you had Purmu Sangma who had also associated with the TFC.
Well, he became a member of the parliament through TMC also. Isn't it?
He did.
He did. So if he was elected on the TMC ticket to parliament, I mean, a man of such stature, let us not belittle any political party for that reason. It is what you do in the ground that will determine the future of the party. It is how you work, how you serve, with your heart and soul. That will determine the future of that party. So that is our job now, with the help which we will be getting from all corners, all sides, to build this merger into a very vibrant and strong political party.
Sources say that
One by one. Yeah.
sources say that you're eyeing for the Rajya Sabha seat. How true is that?
Well, if it comes my way, I'll take it, but I don't eye anything. If everything I've done in my last 20 years in politics is through due diligence and hard work, and I continue to do that. I have not sought any political chair during my career, and you can ask Dr. Mukul Sangma also. Anybody. I was offered many posts, but I didn't take it. For me, the larger interest of people is paramount in my heart. That is more important. So somebody asking me Rajya Sabha seat, no thank you. I got enough seats at home.
Doctor, how will you differentiate the TMC with the NPP, the Congress and BJP to the people of the state?
You're smart in analyzing. You know it, you interpret, you create stories. You are authors of many stories. I would only supplement. Okay, I will only supplement. Now, you cannot compare All India Trinamool Congress with NPP. You have to look at what we have referred to as the shared agenda, shared objective. The whole objective, the whole ideology that this political party is associated with, affiliated with, is completely different from NPP and other political parties. It's simple. They are fighting against those who nurture an ideology which is not, I must say, compatible to our nation with diverse background of people, and it's not compatible to the kind of socio-political spectrum that this nation has. And therefore, I think we have a very clear understanding as to why we have aligned ourselves and marched with All India Trinamool Congress.
Doctor, what will be the next step?
With this merger, do you see in 2023 Congress Mukt Meghalaya as it is speaking?
See, we do not want to share the same rhetoric what BJP has initiated. Our job is to reach out to the people. We have every reason to believe that we will be able to get the trust and confidence of the people, because people of the state of Meghalaya, and we are going beyond the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. Our responsibility is to look at what happens in Delhi does affect our life. Okay. What is decided upon by Government of India also affects us. Doesn't it affect? Therefore, I say that everybody has to be directly or indirectly connected with political parties. If somebody is saying that, oh boy, I'm not bothered, well, he's not bothered, but you are in the same ship. We are in the same boat. If the boat sinks, you sink.
But so, like the elections just a year away, how difficult or easy it will be for you to strengthen a new party like TMC in Meghalaya and actually win the elections?
When the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
Sir, we have seen the former GNLA chairman has announced his decision to contest against you on a Congress ticket in from Songsak in 2020.
No comments. Thank you.
Now you are shouldering a big responsibility. How sure you are that the 11th will come back to the assembly again?
I've already said when I replied to his question. It's just a repetition. I said, you see, what is more important? The most important factor that gives us the strength and inspiration and determination is our resolve to serve the people, our commitment towards serving our people and serving our state. That gives us strength, and that strength will sail us through. Thank you.
Doctor, who will lead the TMC in the state as a president?
Those things will unfold eventually. For today, I think we must say so that you will have some more stories in the days to come. Thank you.
Doctor, what about your
Last, okay.
Last time you said about unification of three major tribes of Meghalaya. What about this, Doctor?
All those good things are going to happen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, Hematana from India Today. Just a need